Hi, this is Don McAllister, and this week I'm delighted to welcome a new presenter to Screencasts Online, Rosemary Orchard. Rosemary is well known as a Mac and iOS automation expert and a regular contributor to many Apple-related podcasts. For her first Screencasts Online video, I've asked Rosemary to take us through some of the additional features of iOS 13 and iPadOS 13. So, over to you, Rosemary.
Hello, this is Rosemary Orchard, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. iOS 13.1 is out, which means iPadOS has released as well, and this is an ideal opportunity to dive deeper into this wonderful new operating system and show you more of the features it has to offer. In this show, we are going to cover the new features of calendar, reminders, multi-window management, shortcuts, home, control center, Find My, health, messages, maps, mouse support, app management, pages, numbers, and keynote updates, the new volume indicator, as well as scanning a document in files. In iOS 13 and iPadOS 13, Calendar has received several small but important updates, which definitely improve our usage. For example, here you can see I have a lunch appointment on my calendar. If I go over to Maps, in the left-hand side, under Siri Suggestions, lunch is shown. Also, if you zoom in on the map, you can see that the location of my lunch has been marked with a calendar icon, and the annotation lunch at 1 p.m. This feature also ties into CarPlay, which now features a calendar application, and the same Siri Suggestions appear on screen there. Calendar also makes more suggestions using the contents of your events. For example, if you have an early flight the next day, it might prompt you to set an alarm for this event. Or if you're using the holidays calendar and you have an all-day event in that calendar, it will prompt you to edit an existing recurring alarm. Calendar on iOS supports attachments as well now, allowing us to select an event, edit it, and add an attachment. Here we can choose any document, and as you can see, I have one here that can be attached. It shows a preview of the document type, the name, file extension, and the size.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.